If you're a bartender or a server who works in a restaurant, there's oftentimes a lot of confusion about how tips work and how you need to be paid. Hi, I'm Adam Gonnelli, and my firm handles cases representing bartenders and servers and how they get paid. There are three basic things you need to remember. First is, if you're a bartender or a server, your employer is entitled to take what's called a tip credit. The tip credit, under federal law, basically means that your employer can pay you $2.13 an hour as long as you make enough in tips to bring you up over the minimum wage of $7.25 an hour. If you don't make enough to bring you up over that level, your employer has to make up the difference. And also bear in mind that that may vary depending on what state you work in, such as New York. Second thing you want to remember is about the practice of tip pooling. Now, generally it's okay to share your tips. Sometimes servers share tips with bus persons or hostesses, and bartenders may do the same, and that's perfectly fine. What's not fine, however, is if your employer pockets any amount of the tips, or if you have to share your tips with non-tipped employees, such as the back of the house employees, such as cooks. The third thing you want to remember is, in order to take the tip credit, your employer shouldn't have you be working more than 20% of your time on non-tipped activities, such as cleaning, rolling silverware, and the like. Now, why might you need to know this information? My firm handles cases where waiters and servers and bartenders aren't being paid the way they're supposed to be. If you've run into these problems, what I want you to do is pick up the phone and give us a call. We handle these questions all the time, and we'd love to talk to you. I'm Adam Gonnelli, and I'm an employment lawyer. Thanks for watching.